What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are actually replacing the starter. So the starter comes in tomorrow, and I want to get a good head start on this because this is my first time tackling the starter on this Honda Civic Si. So I looked at a lot of videos on how to do this, and it's very simple. Not like on this car right here. This car was a little bit more difficult. Under the car, behind the engine, to take the starter out. But on this one right here, actually the starter is behind the intake manifold. So that is a very good thing, because once I move the throttle body, the intake manifold, the starter is like right there. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe below. Hit that notification bell too, so you won't miss out on videos like these. Trying to get this car back on the road, because this car has been like sitting here for the last 3 days now, and I know the issue is it's the starter. The starters need a replacement. So let's get started with this video now. Let's take the starter out. I see why I needed a new starter. Like, just look at it. Like the inside of it. Yeah, it was definitely time for a change. So I will pick this video up back tomorrow when the new part comes. Hopefully it comes early so we can get everything back in here. All right, so it's currently like a couple of days went by. Amazon has did a huge delay on my starter. So this is the old starter right here, you can see it, and this is the new one right here. So let's go ahead and put the new starter in and get this car back on the road. Starter's back in here. Very simple. You only had like 2 bolts, 17mm socket, then you had this little small one, small 12 over here that you got to get to, and that's it. And hook everything back up. Now we have to put the manifold back on there now. So we're almost there. The main issue is back on there. Now we just got to put the manifold back on there and put the intake back on here, and we should be good. Was the starter entire time. So I'm gonna tell you guys some issues that you might run across if you have a bad starter. Loud clicking noises, a rough start, dashboard will flash like multiple times, and when you try to start it, it'd be like click, 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 click. That is a bad starter. absolutely hands down a bad starter. So I'm gonna have the starter I purchased in the description below. Please get off of Amazon. Do not run down to your local hardware store, because they will overcharge you. I mean, the one at AutoZone was going to charge me $532, and I got this one for $157. Total price break in that. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Man, it has been a wow. So I've just been stressing about this car, like I'm trying to get this car back on the road, and it was the freaking starter. So yes, hope you guys take notes from this video. It's easy to replace a starter. All you have to do is take the manifold off and some other things, and that's it, and you're right there. Take your time, be careful, you can get it off, and you'll be back on the road as soon as possible. So yes, I'm out of here for the day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Drive with passion, keep going, and stay active.